Myntri Rangbah ka jela konrat ke sangma ulapli patba hakajan miet jong ka arpuh nyau tarik jeliu ya ka Regional Youth Convention ka Basan RYC jong ka North East Regional Youth Commission NERYC Hameri Help of Christians Cathedral Kohima. Lapanya da ka Nagaland Catholic Youth Movement NCYM hapo kapang padeng Pilgrims of Hope. Hakani ka convention ka basaus ni lapalat 8,000 ngut ki delegates kilawan bansyem benta na ki khatsantli ki diocese hakeleng ka North East India. Myntri Rangbah ukonrat ke sangma kumukongsan ula penher ya kalama bat ula ay ka jingkran sedang da ka ba penslur ya ki samla banong kinong yalam hakalawai ki ba pensyong nong rem haka jinget ki jinglong tenrai bat ka jing syakri. Hakani ka sngi la kurkhu ya ki stol bat ka jaka ban penlong ya ka convention da ki bishop na ki jaka ba pher jong ka than chatei lam mingi.
They'll just give you a badge. You are now ready No,
Let's all give a big round of applause once more to our special guest, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, who is accompanied by the Excellencies, Archbishops, Bishop, special invitees, regional executives, and the Presidents and Secretary of the 15 Dioceses of Northeast.
Yeah, please push up. Get in.
Accepted our invitation to be here with us today. Your presence, sir, is a significant honor to our gathering. We welcome you, sir. Your Excellencies, yes, let's all give a big round of applause. Your Excellencies, Archbishops, Bishop, dignitaries, special invitees, Reverend Fathers and Sisters, well-wishers, and you all, my dear youthful delegates from all over the northeastern states, we offer a sincere welcome to each one of you.
Flag. I request everyone to stand in attention for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I request Shri Conrad K. Sangma to kindly host our ICYM Northeast flag. Now we will have the ICYM National Anthem.
Share who bore our sins on the cross, the message of love, greatest prize to the world across. 'Cause we dare to dream, we can share, we are the Northeast youth, empowering the youth based on gospel values. Liberating them all, making all the divine. We've been called from every land to lead, serve, and shine. For peace our goal from the start to the last. For all the least and the lost and the last. We have heard the call and heart respond with joy. Together we come as one. I see why I'm Northeast. 'Cause we dare dream, we can share. We are the Northeast youth, empowering the youth based on gospel values. Liberating them all, making all the divine. We've been called from every land to lead, serve, and shine.
Thank you, sir, for doing the honor of hoisting the flag. Now I invite the diocese president to place your flag to your respective paw. Let's all give a big round of applause. And Most Reverend Victor Lindo, Archbishop of Shillong, to bless the stone. They will be led by our Regional Executive Committee. In the meantime, I request the choir to lead us into a song.
my soul, and worship your holy name. Sing like never before. Oh, my soul, I worship your holy name. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh, my soul, I worship your holy name. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh, my soul, I worship your holy name. Yes, I worship your holy name. Lord, I worship your holy name.
Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, to kindly declare the 5th Regional Youth Convention open.
Excellencies, Archbishops, our bishops, all our Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, all our members from different dioceses who have come here today, and all the delegates from different states of the Northeast who have come here to be part of this 5th Regional Youth Convention. On this auspicious occasion, dated 27th, 2025, here at Mary Help of Christians Cathedral, Kohima, in the name of God the Father, I am delighted to declare the 5th Regional Youth Convention, organized by Northeastern Regional Youth Commission, Indian Catholic Youth Movement, and hosted by Nagaland Catholic Youth Movement, officially open.